Hey, 8th grade. Okay, be studying your vocab. Remember practice test is Monday. We're doing 8.2.R.2 continuous practice for today. Plus, I posted the video for alliteration, the assignment I told y'all to do for that, and your names. So all of that should be up on Google Classroom now. I will read the continuous practice. Since it's continuous practice and review, you will be answering it on your own. Bring it Monday, I'll grade it, okay? 1. If any author is writing a guide called Reading Improves Your Vocabulary, what text structure would most likely be used? Okay, if an author is writing a guide called Reading Improves Your Vocabulary, what text structure would most likely be used? I want to say we just used this in the lesson, either this week or the week before. There was, I'm pretty sure, boxes, and I think you had to fill out some of them that answer this. So go back and look at that. Remember, you can pause and play as much as you need to the videos, okay? So is it A, problem solution, B, cause effect, C, descriptive, D, narrative? 2. The sequence of events that occurs in a story is also known as A, setting, B, plot, C, character, D, theme. 3. If the author adds more detail and information to a sentence or paragraph, the author is A, inferring, B, debating, C, summarizing, or D, elaborating. 4. When the same word appears too many times in a paragraph and the author wants to use a different word, the best source would be A, dictionary, B, glossary, C, thesaurus, or D, table of content. Content. Burping up my coffee today. 5. Which question is least important for finding information about California wildfires? A, how many California wildfires make the national news? B, how many acres were burned by wildfires last year in California? C, what techniques do firefighters use to combat California wildfires? D, what animals are most affected by California wildfires? Okay. Which question is least important? 6. Select the most reliable primary source for information about California wildfires. A, someone whose home burned in a California wildfire. B, an animal shelter owner caring for animal victims of California wildfires. C, a doctor who treated burn patients from California wildfires. D, a firefighter who had an experience combating California wildfires. 7. Read the following. Hadley, followed by Christian, Emery, and Norma, were glad to be entering the warm house after a bitterly cold walk. Explain. Alright. Read the following. Hadley, followed by Christian, Emery, and Norma, were glad to be entering the warm house after a bitterly cold walk. Explain what is incorrect about the above sentence. So you're going to explain in the writing box. Randy, if you need help, get your sister. Take her in there to her. 8. Read the following. The babysitter had told Cal's parents about the broken lock on the door, but they do nothing about it. Explain what is awkward about the above sentence. The hint should be it was hard for me to read that part because it wasn't right. 9. The stingy woman looked around for something valuable to take home. That says stingy. I'm sorry. Can you tell I need to go to bed? Stingy. The stingy woman looked around for something valuable to take home. Rewrite the sentence above so the word stingy has a more positive connotation. Look it up, guys. And 10. Read the following. My house is filled with vintage furniture. Rewrite the sentence above so the word vintage has more negative connotation. I don't remember us going over positive and negative connotation yet, but I want you to look it up. I don't care if you use Google, whatever, okay? I'm sure if we looked it up, let me look. So, yes, you can look it up. So, words can have a positive, negative, or neutral connotation. Positive connotation is the good feeling that is attached to a word or phrase. Negative connotation is the bad feeling. Hey, Randy, will you please plug my computer in? It's trying to die on me. Right here. Oh, well, excuse me, writer. Okay, so negative connotation is the bad feeling, and neutral connotation have a neutral feeling or emotion. Obviously, positive is going to make you feel good. So just look it up. You can probably find examples if you look, see, positive, neutral, negative, okay? It even gives you one for stingy. So positive right here, thrifty, okay? So look it up and go ahead and do those ones because it's good practice for when we do get to it, okay? All right. Turn these in on Monday. I'll grade it then. Bye, guys. Don't forget to do your alliteration and study for vocab. Test Monday.